So this is the road going to the harbor. And check it out. Just goes straight. So there's no signs really that you can see indicating it's a harbor. Now here's the interesting part. You take a look at this harbor here. This is where we're at. You can actually see a number of these outfits right in the middle of the harbor. Look at this stuff. You can zoom in. So yeah, I can kind of see how if somebody's following GPS. And look at that. These places are located in the water. Perhaps if you don't know what blue means on GPS, there you go. But yeah, you know, if it's dark and you know what you're doing, you don't see any signs at all, and you're literally just looking at a map, you know, look at all these locations in the water. Kona Sea Adventures, right in the middle. Yep, so I can kind of see how that would work.